Thanks for tuning into this video. Now watch me transform these flannel pants into a skirt. Now I'm going to start with cutting the pants into shorts because I'm going to need the excess fabric. And from there, I'm going to be taking in the waistband of the shorts. I'm going to use like a clip that I broke off of a hanger to help tighten the waist, since I won't be able to pin myself from the back. And once I got it as tight as I want it, I'm going to use some chalk, or I think that's a bar of soap, either one, but I'm going to use it to mark where I will be taking the shorts in at. So I'm picking off the waistband, but I'm not going to take it off all the way, just enough to where I can take it in on the sides I need it to be taken in at.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Now before sewing down a waistband, I got to make sure that the band to short ratio is even, or else we're gonna have overlapping. Close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. Now I'm cutting apart the pants leg. That way I can sew it together, and that's what's going to give the skirt effect. And now it's just a matter of pinning it on there evenly, and then I can just sew it down from here. I'm gonna start with sewing down the skirt first and then attaching the waistband. You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second already. If you love, you ration yours, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. Trying to read your mind. I can't read your This last part I really didn't have to do, but I just wanted to pick apart some of the loose thread so it can give it that fringe look. But this is the final results. Thank you for watching and tuning in. I hope you guys liked the video. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? You hit me up when the nights get slow.